Did you ever wonder why some people seem to have their financial life in order while others struggle? The secret lies in setting financial goals. Financial goals, much like a compass, provide a clear direction and help individuals chart the course for their financial future. They are the backbone of financial planning, enabling you to allocate resources effectively, make informed decisions, and ultimately attain financial freedom. In essence, setting financial goals is the first step towards achieving financial independence. Now, setting financial goals is not just about saying, "I want to be rich," it's about being SMART. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save money," make it SMART by stating, "I want to save $2,000 for a vacation by December next year." This way, you have a definitive goal, a way to measure success, and a timeline to work towards. With SMART goals, you set a clear path towards achieving your financial aspirations. With all these goals, how do you decide which one to tackle first? Prioritizing is the key. Prioritizing your financial goals is like planning a journey. You need to identify your current financial standing and where you aspire to be. Balancing short-term and long-term goals is essential. Short-term goals offer quick wins and boost motivation, while long-term goals give direction to your financial journey. It's not about choosing between a vacation or a retirement fund, but deciding which to focus on more. Remember, prioritization helps you focus your resources on what matters most. Once you know your priorities, it's time to budget. But how? You might wonder. Start by listing your income and expenses. Then, categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings or debt repayments. Aligning your budget with your financial goals is crucial. For instance, if you're aiming to buy a house in 5 years, your budget should reflect an increased allocation towards savings. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Remember, a well-planned budget is your roadmap to achieving your financial goals. What if there's a way to make your money work for you? Welcome to the world of investing. It's a crucial step on your journey to financial freedom. Investing can turn your income into a growing wealth pool, helping you reach your long-term financial goals. Start small, perhaps with low-risk investments, and gradually diversify as you gain confidence and experience. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick but about consistent growth over time. Investing can be a powerful tool for wealth creation if used wisely. Setting goals and making plans is great, but how do you know you're on the right track? Tracking financial progress is crucial. Regular check-ins and adjustments keep your journey on course. Remember, it's not just about reaching the end, but how you get there. Regular tracking ensures you're moving in the right direction and makes your financial journey a lot smoother. So, what have we learned today? We've touched on the power of setting financial goals, the effectiveness of SMART goals, the importance of prioritizing and budgeting, and the crucial roles investing and progress tracking play. Remember, financial freedom is achievable. Start setting your financial goals today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom.